Science is a super energy hungry and resource hungry occupation.
We use many materials in our research that need to be sustainably sourced and sustainably dealt with. We use many instruments that are high energy, and they again need to be considered how we best use those in order to sustain our environmental footprint.
Small things that build up, and if every person's doing them, they make a real difference. Shut the door when you leave the lab at night. Switch off the equipment that you don't need at the end of the day. Increase the hold temperature of your PCR machine from 4 degrees to 12 degrees. Saves 40% of the energy usage.
We've adapted new guidelines as to recycling and to sustainability, to reducing our overall carbon footprint.
LEAF is the Laboratory Efficiency Assessment Framework, and every single lab in the WIMM's now signed up to that, which is great.
We have very good uptake in the WIMM, and in fact we were awarded an award at the recent University Sustainability Sessions by the Vice-Chancellor for our culture and community. Outside of the lab, we're members of something called Green Impact. That's a bit like LEAF for non-lab areas, and that's thinking about how we process non-laboratory items, be it recycling of paper and other things.
We've got a really active group here at the WIMM of people who are across the building trying to make things better from a sustainability perspective. So the WIMM Sustainability Working Group has, I think, 20 plus members, always looking for new members as well.
The way in which we've kind of managed to enable this kind of real step changing culture is twofold. So first of all, we have a sustainability committee, which I chair. People sit on this committee who are researchers in the labs, people from admin, people who run facilities, people who run units, and we really discuss the overriding problems and how we're going to address these and how those play into the LEAF initiative and Green Impact. On top of that, we have a working group, and the working group on a very practical level has kind of seized many of these opportunities and been responsible for translating those into the real change very effectively.
Beyond good research, a well-run lab is a sustainable lab, and a sustainable lab is a well-run lab. So the two things are hand in hand with each other. So it shouldn't be seen as separate to science or an add-on to science. It should be seen as part of science.